This is the Empi bench mount cylinder head assembly tool. Some people also call it a valve jig. This one was the $55.99 one on the California Imports one. This is the one that did not come with the mounting hardware to the bench, so that made it a little cheaper. When I first got this, I actually didn't know how to use it, and I had to scour the internet to try to figure out how to use it correctly. I was using it like this and then trying to get the valves out, but I figured I'd show you guys what I do, or how it's supposed to be used. So these two brackets right here are actually supposed to go into the portions of the cylinder head right here, and you slide it on like that, and then it sits pretty soft, or pretty sound for you to start pulling valves off. So once it's assembled, it's just quite simple. It's just pushing it down like this, and the valve will get, mine are a little stuck, but it'll get right here, and then you just have to push it so it pops it so that the keepers are out, and then you just pull the keepers out. And I'll zoom in on that so you can see what I'm talking about. So you just push it down, you see the keepers are right here. They kind of just pop off. I like to pull them all the way off and then use a magnet to get them out. And then slowly release. And then the spring comes off and you can pull the head out and the valve should slide through. The reason I'm doing it to this is some of the valves are scored, the valve seat or the valve guides need to be replaced. So I'm just going to punch that through, and because I'm replacing the valve guides anyways. But that's kind of how the jig is used for removing the springs on the valves.